Hey traders, how we all doing? I noticed last week I posted up my video on 8 weeks with the Tim Sykes market prep course. That was actually incorrect. I officially signed up on it was July. It was the Friday, the 7th of July. It was midnight, pretty much. It was like 12:02 when I actually paid for it, and I got access to it. So officially Saturday morning, but it's pretty much exactly been 2 months. Now, if you do follow, I'm just going to bring up my, hopefully this works, my demo trading results. Now, if you follow my channel as well on Scotty's Trading, you see I post every night about, the penny stock stuff, whether I take a trade or not take a trade. Oh, it's worked as well. Right, this might work. Okay, so essentially I am down around 5%. I think it was 5.41%. I started mid-July with a demo account and then into August as well. So I just have to assess things, and I wasn't happy with how my trading was going, and I made a few mistakes that I highlighted upon. Now here is my trades. I've got AVEO up as well. I wanted to discuss that because that was a potential trade that I was thinking about getting into. Okay, so yeah, in Aussie dollars. So we're talking around 4.39%. Okay, so that's what we're talking about. That's in Aussie dollars. So, but it's like a 12 grand Aussie dollar account with a 10 grand US minimum. So honestly, I'm realistic about things, and I understand now penny stocking is, it's a little more convoluted than my Forex trading than I do. With Forex trading, it's really purely technicals, and things move slower. In the penny stock world, you've really got to be very careful, and then there's a few factors to consider as well, like liquidity, promoters, short squeezes, a lot of, obviously technical analysis is applied here, but things just move, a little bit more frantically at times, so a little more panic. But yeah, look, there's not a lot to go over this week, really. Obviously, I'll bring up my YouTube channel as well. I post, like I said, all potential trades as well, because this week it was a little bit, I'd like to say messy, because I finish work at 7:30 every night this week, and I just wasn't really in the right frame of mind to do trades like I wanted to, and I couldn't really do my research. So if we go to the 5 days ago, okay, so this is when I talked about what was going on with my trading. I obviously wasn't happy, so alright, so there's nothing really. So MGTI, that was my first one, and that didn't break down, and I didn't even look for shares to short either, so that was a no trade. There was a dip buy on MGTI, I didn't take that. I went over that as well. That was 3 days ago. PULM, I was talking about a breakout. This was against a lot of other users that I saw as well. I didn't take this trade. Obviously, the price action was bad. It collapsed. And MGTI, I was talking about a potential buy again. This is when Bitcoin was up a little bit. I was observing the markets. So I was talking about, MGTI again. And it was more just following what Tim, I think, was looking for a dip buy here. I'm not too sure on the exact trade, but this was an inactive session for me again, and here we are. So if you're not following Scotty's Trading, guys, please do. I clearly label my videos as well, because I do Forex stuff, and I'd done that previously, penny stocks, but this is more higher time frame, like daily and 4-hour charts. So I'll be in trades for days at a time. Minimum. A really quick trade would be like a day. That's pretty unheard of though. So, and I just want to touch upon AVEO as well. So we're here at nearly midday now. got to the high of 406, opened up at 406. It couldn't crack through there. So I tried again, but the price action was quite sideways and it really didn't break through there at all. It might have done 407, did it? 407 at the peak briefly, and volume was low and fading. And I also want to touch upon a trade that I looked at, which was KURA, which was, I think Tim took potential to buy here. I thought I clicked KURA. Sorry guys, my internet's pretty slow, which is up a great deal. Might have been here. It's just one day. But it's taken off though. I think it was HIMX. What am I talking about? Man, yeah, here it is. Alright, so we got in at around 1020 odd, I think, and it came up to 1020 and just crashed. I thought it was in around here, 1028, 1025, came up, 35, and back down I went. So it's been very good just being a little bit more relaxed and not being frantic for trades, and just really learning the art of reading the price action and what to look for. And not just to rush in and be impulsive. So I've been disciplined. It's been really, the focus this week has been learning and just watching, important video lessons and understanding who I am as a trader and what setups sort of best suit my personality. Definitely more buying is a feature of my trading style, and breakout trades. So dip buys aren't too bad as well. As I get more confident, I think I could grow to appreciate the dip buy. And just really waiting and honing that entry, and then being disciplined and letting the profits go for a while, and then not just quickly taking puny gains. Anyway guys, there's not much else to talk about. It's been 2 months. I continue to watch video lessons. I'm just going back from the start, from the latest one backwards. So I try and do 2 or 3 a day. I did the 60-day starter one where you get sent a video a day as well. That's been extremely helpful. The key thing I am learning though is to be around for market open. Look at the charts, look at the charts, look at the charts, and look at worthwhile setups. Good volume, they're at key levels, there's a catalyst, or there's news, there's hype. At least 5 elements to the trader key, which I've seen Tim Bowen discuss with his Stocks to Trade YouTube videos. So I'm really excited about this journey. I'm still demo trading. I'm not gonna sugarcoat that. I'll be getting a live account once I've done about 3 months of consistent profits, and I'm happy. Maybe more. There's no real set time frame. I'm just happy that I'm learning. And there's been no trades this week, but it's been a good experience. Just really appreciating how to identify better setups and just not jumping in senselessly, and being picky. Okay. Anyway, guys, thank you for watching, and hope you have a great weekend. Bye.